Good morning, all of you. So, in this video, we are going to discuss about preparation of sulfuric acid. Molecular formula H2SO4. This preparation is carried out in all industries. So, large scale preparation of sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid, molecular formula H2SO4 preparation. Sulfuric acid can be manufactured by lead chamber process, cascade process, or conduct process. Cascade or conduct process are same. Here we are going to discuss about the conduct process of manufacture of sulfuric acid. Manufacture of sulfuric acid by conduct process. The conduct process involves 3 steps. In the first step, initially sulfur dioxide is produced by burning sulfur or iron pyrides in oxygen or air. S plus O2 gives SO2. Iron pyrides FeS2 undergo oxidation is converted into Fe2O3 and liberation of SO2. So, this is the first method in which sulfur is oxidized into sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide formed is oxidized to sulfur trioxide by air in the presence of a catalyst such as vanadium pentoxide V2O5 or platinized asbestos. So, in the second step, the sulfur dioxide prepared in the first step is oxidized to sulfur trioxide SO3 by air in the presence of a catalyst such as vanadium pentoxide V2O5 or platinized asbestos. SO2 plus O2 gives SO3. And in the third step, the sulfur trioxide is absorbed in concentrated sulfuric acid and produces oleum. Oleum with the molecular formula H2S2O7, and the oleum is converted into sulfuric acid by diluting it with water. So, this is the method of preparation of sulfuric acid. Now, these are the reaction takes place in the preparation of sulfuric acid. SO3 plus H2SO4, the sulfur trioxide formed in the second step is absorbed by sulfuric acid and form oleum. Oleum, when diluted with water molecule, it gives sulfuric acid H2SO4. And to maximize, to get maximum product, to get maximum yield, the planned conduct process is operated at 2 bar, pressure equal to 2 bar and 720 Kelvin. The sulfuric acid obtained in this process is over 96% pure. Now we are going to discuss how the reactions takes place. Preparation of sulfuric acid by conduct process. This process involves 3 steps, and the first step involves preparation of sulfur dioxide. Preparation of sulfur dioxide SO2. Sulfur dioxide, in which sulfur is in plus 4 oxidation state. How sulfur dioxide is prepared? When sulfur is directly heated with oxygen or air, sulfur dioxide in gaseous state is formed, SO2. Equation is already balanced. Then it is also prepared by another method. Any sulfide ore, for example, iron pyrite with the molecular formula FeS2. Iron pyrite FeS2. The structural formula for iron pyrite is Fe double bond S double bond S. This is the structural formula for FeS2. FeS2 during roasting. We know roasting means heating the ore in the presence of oxygen is called roasting. And iron undergo reduction plus 4 to plus 3 oxidation state gives oxygen is minus 2 oxidation state plus iron plus 2 in oxidation state. When we write in class plus 3 ferric 2 and 3 plus liberation of SO2. So these two methods are used to prepare sulfur dioxide in the first step. FeS2 is called iron pyrites, ore of iron. Fe2O3 is ferric oxide. Ferric oxide. Now how to balance this reaction? We know oxygen is in the molecular state. So if oxygen or Cl2, Br2 are in the diatomic gaseous state, molecular state, we can balance this equation by a fractional method. We can balance this equation by a fractional method. So in fractional method, the first step is to balance other elements other than oxygen. Other than oxygen, in this chemical reaction we have iron and sulfur. First balance iron and sulfur. Here 1 iron, here 2 iron, 2 Fe, 2 Fe. How many sulfur? 2 into 2 are 4 sulfur, 4 sulfur. So other elements are balanced. Iron, 2 iron, 4 sulfur are balanced. Now we have to balance the oxygen. In the second step, count the number of oxygen atom present in the opposite side of the molecular oxygen. Molecular oxygen is present in the left hand side, so count the oxygen in the opposite side. What is the total number of oxygen in the opposite side? 4 into 2 are 8, 8 plus 3 equal to 11. So left hand side also there should be 11 oxygen atom. Apart from this, there is no oxygen. So ask the final question, 2 into dash equal to 11. 2 into 11 by 2 is equal to 11. 2 into 11 by 2 equal to 11. To cancel the fraction, the denominator quantity, multiply the whole equation by the denominator quantity. So you will get the final equation. What is your final equation after multiplication? Multiply the whole equation by 2. 4 Fe S2 plus 2 into 11 by 2 equal to 11 O2 gives 2 Fe2O3 plus 2 into 4 are 8 SO2. So these two methods are used to prepare sulfur dioxide. What is the second method? Second method, second step involve preparation of sulfur trioxide. Preparation of sulfur trioxide. So conduct process of manufacture of sulfuric acid we are discussing. The second step involve preparation of sulfur trioxide. How it is prepared? Easy method. Sulfur dioxide SO2, sulfur dioxide SO2 is mixed with oxygen in presence of the catalyst vanadium pentoxide, oxygen valency 2, vanadium valency 5, vanadium pentoxide, or one more catalyst, platinized asbestos. Platinized asbestos is used as a catalyst, asbestos. Sulfur dioxide undergo oxidation gives sulfur trioxide. How to balance? Easy balancing. Oxygen is in the molecular state present alonely. Therefore, we can balance this equation by a fractional method. In fractional method, the first step, we have to balance other element except oxygen. We have only one other element, sulfur, one sulfur, one sulfur. That element is already balanced in this equation. Now, count the number of oxygen in the opposite side of the molecular oxygen. Left hand side we have O2, molecular oxygen, right hand side 3 oxygen. So, right hand side 3 oxygen, left hand side must be 3 oxygen. Apart from this, we have 2 oxygen along with the sulfur. So, we require only one oxygen. Ask a question. 2 into dash equal to 1. 1 by 2. To cancel the denominator quantity when the whole equation is multiplied by 2, you will get the final equation. Sulfur dioxide SO2, 2SO2 plus 2 into half equal to 1O2 in presence of vanadium pentoxide V2O5 or platinized asbestos. Platinized asbestos gives 2SO3. 2SO3. So, this is the second step. Second step used in the preparation of sulfur trioxide. Now, come to third step of conduct process. Third step is formation of oleum. Formation of oleum. Oleum molecular formula H2S2O7. Oleum. How oleum is prepared? In the second step, sulfur trioxide is formed. That sulfur trioxide SO3 in gaseous state is passed into sulfuric acid H2SO4. Oleum is formed with the molecular formula H2S2SO3, H2S2O7. SO3 formed in the second step is passed into sulfuric acid H2S2O7. Oleum is formed. This is the molecular formula for oleum. The oleum formed is diluted with water H2S2O7 is diluted with water H2O. Sulfuric acid is obtained. H2SO4. How many molecules? 2 molecules of sulfuric acid are formed. This is the method of preparation of sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is formed. Method of preparation of sulfuric acid. And now, when we overall view these 3 processes, first process, preparation of sulfur dioxide. Preparation of sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide is prepared from sulfur or any sulfide ore. When roasted with oxygen, it is liberated sulfur dioxide. Second step involves preparation of SO3. The sulfur dioxide prepared in the first step undergo oxidation in the presence of the catalyst vanadium pentoxide or platinized asbestos gives sulfur trioxide. Formation of oleum. Sulfur trioxide prepared in the first step when dissolved in sulfuric acid form oleum. Oleum diluted with water molecule gives sulfuric acid. Now, we are going to see the schematic diagram or the diagram used in the conduct process of manufacture of sulfuric acid. What is the diagram used in the conduct process of manufacture of sulfuric acid? So, in conduct process 96% of pure sulfuric acid is obtained, and this type of diagram is used in conduct process. However, reactant or sulfur are placed in the first container. This container is called sulfur burner. Sulfur burner. First container named as sulfur burner. Air is blown from the bottom of the chamber in which sulfur is placed in different cells. These are sulfur placed in different cells. When air containing oxygen is mixed with sulfur dioxide and impure sulfur dioxide when passed to the dust precipitator, this is called dust precipitator. So it is impure SO2 and O2 when passed into dust precipitator, all the dust are removed. Then again the SO2 O2 mixture is passed into the washing and cooling tower. This is washing and cooling tower in which water is sprayed from the top. Waste water is removed from the bottom. Then that purified SO2 and O2 is then passed into the chamber. That chamber is called a drying tower, in which the moisture which is added in this chamber along with SO2 and O2, it is completely removed by corn sulfuric acid, because here SO2 and O2 is washed in this chamber. Some water molecule moisture also present along with the SO2 and O2. That moisture is completely removed by this drying tower by spraying concentrated sulfuric acid. We know corn sulfuric acid is a dehydrating agent. Waste acid is removed from the bottom. The dry moisture free sulfur dioxide and O2 is passed into the arsenic purifier containing gelatinous hydrated ferric oxide. Gelatinous hydrated, hydra means water molecule, ferric oxide, Fe2O3H2O, and then it is preheated in this heater. Then that preheated SO2 and O2 is passed into the catalytic chamber, catalytic converter, in which vanadium pentoxide is placed. That vanadium pentoxide speed up the chemical reaction, SO3 is formed. That SO3 is now dissolved in corn sulfuric acid, oleum is formed. This oleum is diluted to get pure sulfuric acid. So this is the general flow diagram used for the manufacture of sulfuric acid. Thank you for watching this video.